Do I need to handle my permitting and engineering for my project, or do you guys handle the permit and engineering for my project? Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of You Ask, We Answer Foundation Repair Questions. Today's question is, do I need to handle my permitting and engineering for my project, or do you guys handle the permit and engineering for my project?
Right, really good question. So we generally will take care of all of that for you. So once we get a repair plan put together, we've got our drawing done, we will hire and take care of the structural engineer and the geotechnical engineer when needed on your behalf. And we will work with them to design the repair plan, get it together into a format that we can submit it to the agency. And then we can actually take care of the submittal for you as well, so that it's really a seamless process for you.
Yeah, and like Eric said, we'll take care of it. But if you really wanted to take care of it, or if you have an engineer friend or whoever, we will be willing to work with whomever to get your project done. The submittal to the city or the county, though, we more than likely will have to do, just because they're going to want the contractor's licensing information, their bond information, workers' comp information. So that part we will have to take care of regardless, or whoever you hire is going to have to take care of that process of actually physically getting the permit. Everything else you can handle, or we can handle in-house.
You got it.
All right. Thank you all for joining us on another episode of You Ask,
We Answer.